Hey, it's Fred, the Submarine Guy. Welcome to the email crash course integrated with our daily profits strategy that's going to put money in your pocket. I really appreciate you checking this out. No matter what business you're in, email marketing is going to really help you out in bringing in more money for the long term, no matter what you're doing. I've been using email marketing since the late 90s. That's a long time ago. It was way different back then than it is now. I didn't even know how to make a video back then, but here we are in 2023, almost 2024, and email is one of the main ways that you can pull in cash from the internet for the long term. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about what to expect. Like I said, I've been doing email marketing for quite some time, and I've found a couple of things that people really need a lot of help with. One is, if you're going to send daily emails, what are you going to say? What are you going to send in your emails? I've got that solution for you, not for only for this month, but for next month and next month and next month, to get you to sending daily emails with maybe 100 or 200 more emails in your marketing bag. Also, the other thing that is an even bigger problem is how to build your list with good lead capture pages. Most people use out of the box standard ones that somebody else built for them and don't see very good results. Or they use somebody else's who's way more successful. Not going to name any names. You know, that's the standard kind of way to go it now. But if you become the standard bearer and have your own lead capture pages offering things that will help people get more traffic, leads, and sales, you will explode your income. And that's what I'm going to show you over the next couple of months. And I'm going to also show you how to build your list with buyer leads. Buyer leads are the ones that have credit cards in their pocket that they don't mind pulling out for good training, good services, and good products that you're going to provide to them. So the strategy here: build your income, build your email list, send emails daily, and that'll bring the income in. I've got a lot of training for you. I'm not going to try to overload you. I mean, this is just a $29 course. By the way, there is a 14-day free trial. If you don't like the training that I do, or you don't like the idea of getting daily profits, you can cancel out up to day 14 with no charge whatsoever. Just send me an email. The instructions are on the sales page. And for those of you that want to start getting daily profits set up for the long term, then you'll be paying only $29 a month. That's less than $1 a day. That's not even half a cup of coffee a day. So I think this is really worthwhile. I am going to be raising the price in the next couple of months and adding more services, and that'll help you out as well. But I wanted to introduce you so you get to know me, and you'll get to know what to expect in the course. You know, we're going to be providing emails for you to send, lead capture pages to model, and what to say in those emails, where to find those buyers, and those three things together will help explode your income. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I really appreciate you signing up for the course. And if you got any suggestions or things you'd like to see, again, send them to me in an email. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.